What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best all-terrain tire. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is BFGoodrich All-Terrain T/AK02. The KO2 is a popular all-terrain model from BFGoodrich. The tire comes with CoreGuard technology, which beefs up the sidewall rubber to help prevent splits and cracks in the tire, as well as add a layer of added toughness to the sidewall. The tread rubber is specifically designed to reduce chips and wear on the tire. The upper sidewall traction bars provide increased traction in snow and mud and on rocky terrain. If you are taking your vehicle into more serious off-road conditions, the BFGT/AK02 is designed to run at a lower PSI, and the side lugs will provide traction when the tire is aired down even on softer terrain, as well as in deep snow. Like with many all-terrain tires, you will have increased road noise when driving on pavement, but this tire is not too noisy. The one downside of these tires is that they may be better off-road than on-road, so keep this in mind when you are thinking about what percentage of your driving is on versus off-road.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Nitto Terra Grappler G2. The Nitto Terra Grappler G2 all-terrain tire fits Jeeps, light pickups, and SUVs. Its circumferential grooves help with straight-line traction, and the tire also has high-density siping, which helps prevent hydroplaning. The tires also have coupling joints to reduce tread flex and increase high-speed stability. The tread pattern has staggered shoulder lugs, which offer increased all-terrain performance. While this is an all-terrain tire, it may not be the best performing in the snow. Generally, the tire is designed to perform well in rough terrain, as opposed to extreme weather.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Falken Wildpeak A/T3W. Like many all-terrain tires, these Falken tires are great for year-round use. The tire has heat diffuser technology to protect the lower sidewall and internal tire from overheating. This will help keep the tire and your vehicle stable even when you are towing or carrying heavy loads. The tire has rigid tread blocks with support ramps and step-down features to enhance vehicle stability and handling. The tread pattern also prevents stones and other irritants from becoming trapped in the grooves of the tire. The aggressive upper sidewall helps protect the tire from sharp rocks and provides additional off-road traction, especially if you are running a lower tire pressure. Falken Wildpeak A/T3W tires are qualified by USTMA and track for the 3-peak mountain snowflake 3PMSF symbol. For high torque support, Falken uses 3D canyon sipes that interlock the tire's shoulders.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Firestone Destination A/T2. The Firestone Destination A/T2 has proven anywhere traction and durability suited for light trucks and SUVs. However, it is also purpose-built for off-roading and incorporates Firestone's HydroGrip technology. It has an aggressive tread pattern and reinforced sidewalls to ward off punctures. Contributing to its longevity is a unique long link (LL) carbon structure which helps reduce tear and cracking in the tire. Another feature is the tire's computer-optimized component system, which helps to maximize performance through a combination of tread design, shape, and construction. The A/T2 is a more versatile model than the older Destination X/T simply because it has a modern rubber compound and tread pattern intended to reduce road noise and offer a comfortable driving experience on pavement and gravel roads. The aggressive tread design rejects stones, and the HydroGrip technology goes to work on slippery surfaces, such as rain, light snow, or ice. These Firestone tires come with an impressive 55,000-mile limited treadwear warranty and 90-day buy-and-try guarantee. The A/T2 no-compromise all-terrain tire is designed to deliver easy on-road driving and optimal off-road handling across all surfaces.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Yokohama Geolandar XAT. The Geolandar XAT all-terrain tire from Yokohama can fit almost any kind of light truck, crossover, or SUV. The tire works well on all different terrains, as well as in many different weather conditions, such as rain and snow. It provides the perfect balance between an off-road tire and an all-season tire. Even if you don't do a ton of off-road driving, this tire could still be a solid addition to your car solely based on its outward character. For those who are into more adventurous driving and off-roading, these tires will stand up to a hefty beating. With its 17/32 deep tread blocks, the Geolandar XAT is more than ready for steep inclines, mud, dirt, rocks, gravel, sand, and more. They are long-lasting and durable, making them a great long-term fit and good value. The all-terrain XAT comes with a 45,000-mile limited treadwear warranty. Just as important, the Geolandar XAT has overwhelmingly strong reviews, as many people who have purchased these tires have enjoyed putting this versatile tire to use.